Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make this delicious jollof rice. There are many ways to make jollof rice. I even have another jollof recipe on this channel, but I like to prepare it in this particular way whenever I want my jollof to be a bit more fancier. So for this jollof I used beef, rice, red bell pepper, tin tomatoes, carrots, ginger, curry spices, onions, Magi cubes, garlic, peas, Scotch Bonnet, and oil and tomato paste. Wash the meat and cut the ginger. Put the ginger, onions, garlic, and Scotch Bonnet in a blender. I added way too much water, but try to add as little as possible. Add it to the meat and season it with salt and Magi cubes. Let it cook and strain it or remove the meat from the water. Heat the oil over high heat and fry the meat. In the meantime, cut the onions for the stew. You can reuse the oil you fry the meat in to fry the onions, but I didn't. Add the tomato puree to the onions and let it fry until it starts to brown. While it's frying, cut the bell pepper and blend the tomatoes together with the bell pepper, garlic, onions, and Scotch Bonnet. Blend until you get a smooth puree. Add it to the onions. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes depending on the amount you're cooking. Add salt, Magi cubes, and curry spices. Cook it for an additional 5 minutes. So you want to cook it, but not as long as you would cook regular stew. Wash the rice and add it to the stew. I use Jasmine rice. I like that better right now for jollof rice, but you can use any kind of rice that you like. Mix it and add the veggies and meat. Mix it again and cover the pan with aluminium foil and then with its lid. This allows the rice to steam, so that's why I'm doing this, but you do not need to use the aluminium foil if you don't want to do that. Stir every now and again to avoid the bottom from burning, but stir as little as possible. And there you have your delicious jollof rice. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.